Hey everybody, Dave here. I've got a key fob to a 2010 Audi. This goes to a Q5 and the battery is getting low and I need to replace it. So I thought I'd bring it along for the ride. So this is what it looks like, and to put a new battery in it, you just flip it over to the back. You've got this button here that allows you to remove the actual physical key to the vehicle. So we'll set that aside. Then we're going to flip this back over again to the front of it. And right here there's another button that you can push down and pull out this center part. There's a rubber seal to keep it watertight, so you just got to go slow and pull it out, and there you go. There's the battery. Get rid of that. Put a new battery in. We slide this back in place gently with the rubber seal. We don't want to distort that rubber seal. It keeps the water out. It clicks, it's locked. Flip it back over, put the key back in, and there you go. Battery replaced in your 2010 Audi key fob. So until next time, thanks for watching.